everyone! Today I'm going to make a Shanghai style wonton soup. This is different from your regular wonton soup. It is inspired by a soup we often get from a Shanghai restaurant near us. It has a unique flavor with seaweed and dry shrimp. Let me show you the ingredients. So I have my homemade wontons. They were frozen in the freezer and they're so handy. If you don't have it, you can buy a frozen one from market or you can make your own. I will leave the link below on how to make wontons. And these two ingredients, dry shrimp, the peppery dried shrimp we used for egg drop soup in previous video. So I just rinsed quickly. And this is seaweed. What's this? Dry seaweed. They call the purple lava seaweed. And just soak in the water for a few minutes. Let them expand. First, we're going to boil the wontons. The water is boiling. Let's add our wontons. Four for each order. Just stir gently. Since they're frozen, we're going to cook about 7 to 8 minutes. After about 8 minutes, our wontons ready. Let's scoop them out. 4 for Ray, 4 for me. Even and equal, right? Next, we're going to make the soup. So traditionally, it's used pork bone soup. I don't have it, so I'm going to use chicken stock. Just add just over 2 cups and bring this to boil. Now the stock is boiling. Let's add our dried shrimp, seaweed. Give a quick boil, about 10 seconds. Now we are ready to assemble our wonton soup. We're going to add a little bit of salt. The chicken stock has some salt already. And white pepper powder to your own taste. Green onions. Optional if you don't mind the cilantro. And sesame oil. Ooh, that's for you. Now let's add our soup. And our wonton soup is ready. Cheers.
Cheers.
Taste of the ocean, right? Seaweed
great.
And dry shrimp. Here's a wonton.
Wow.
Again, traditionally it's made of pork filling. This is a chicken.
Oh, it's great.
Is it? Isn't a soup good for all seasons, right?
Wow, great.
Very flavorful.
There's such depth to the broth. Oh.
Chicken stock, if you have a bone soup, you can use that. And please try to make it. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.